iUnderstand.
Loss of libido in women after giving birth is a common condition, and many women may be ashamed of discussing it. It can cause a lot of problems in your relationship with your partner. That's why I'd like to discuss it here with you in this video. In order to treat the loss of libido, we must first identify the cause and solve it in order to restore back your health. It is normal for a mother to focus on her baby right after giving birth, and it is normal to lose interest in anything else for some weeks. This is due to the effect of certain hormones that your body makes so as to bond with your baby. However, after a couple of months, you should regain your healthy interest in sexuality and intimacy with your husband. If you notice the persistence of loss of libido over a long time, this could be due to either physical or psychological reasons. Physical causes are mainly due to the deficiency of certain elements, especially iron or vitamin D. These two elements may become deficient during pregnancy and breastfeeding. As they pass on to the baby, so our body stores of these elements are decreased. I would recommend that if you suspect a deficiency in any of these elements, for example, if you feel exhausted or have loss of libido or other shortness of breath symptoms, do a blood test for iron and vitamin D3. A blood test may show a deficiency of any of them, and in this case, you will have to restore these elements using supplements. Another problem that occurs with pregnancy is that pregnancy may cause thyroid gland disorders. The thyroid gland is responsible for the body's metabolism, and when its activities decrease, you may feel out of energy and lose your sexual desire. If you are using any medications, particularly antidepressants, it can cause loss of libido and delayed reactions. If you are taking any medications, I'd recommend that you read the pamphlets to check what side effects they may cause. And when needed, discuss the alternatives with your doctor. Psychological stress and marriage problems can cause loss of sexual desire. If you have any problems with your husband, because of giving the baby all your interest, for example, then you may feel not interested in being with him. I'd recommend that you work on solving these problems either by reading books or seeking counseling. It is very important to solve any psychological problems in order to have your healthy libido back. Now I'll talk to you about the requirements needed to solve the loss of libido after birth using supplements. First of all, any nutritional deficiencies should be treated. For example, if you have any iron deficiency, I would suggest that you eat more fresh vegetables, salads, and meat. If iron remains deficient, I'd recommend that you take iron supplements. Supplements may contain only iron or some elements added like folic acid and vitamin C. Folic acid is very important for building the red cell wall, and vitamin C helps in iron absorption, so both are very good.
فيتامين سي في الحالتين كويس قوي لأن الاثنين العنصرين دول مهمين لبناء جدار قوي للكرات الدم الحمراء والفيتامين سي كويس لتحسين امتصاص الحديد. لو انتي ناقصك شمس لو متقعديش
Might you not be getting enough sunlight or have vitamin D deficiency, I'd recommend that you take vitamin D3 supplements, as this will compensate the deficient vitamin D and gradually you will have a remarkable improvement in your overall health and sense of well-being. Vitamin D is very important. If you've been taking oral iron supplements for a long period of time with no improvement, your doctor might prescribe iron injections, which will have a faster influence on your iron levels. Talk to your doctor about it. Finally, if you're healthy enough, you can always try Viagra. It's as effective in women as in men, since it improves your sexual performance. You can also apply testosterone cream. This cream can be applied on the vaginal opening, but remember, testosterone is the male hormone and it has some side effects, so do not apply it on the skin, only on the vaginal opening before sexual intercourse. A small amount is applied to the vagina, as illustrated here, and you will feel an improvement in your sexual desire. Do not feel ashamed to discuss with your doctor any health problems you may have. You deserve to live a happy life. With all my best regards. This video contains general information about medical conditions. The content might not be suitable for everyone and should not be treated as such. Always consult your doctor before using medications. The medical information is provided without any warranties or legal obligations to those who might apply them.